this is the last video you're gonna need on rejection and anyone that is being negative and throwing hate comments your way. For the past 5 days now, there's been people, they're like, Davey, this stuff's not gonna work out. You've been doing it for 11 years. What's wrong? Why isn't it working out, right? This is what I say to them. I will have my time and it will come, Part of the process, I'm working out right now, but guys, part of the process of making, quote unquote, making it and becoming successful, whatever, right? You have to have the journey as well. You can't just achieve an end result instantly, part of the process, the success should be the continuation of fulfilling your purpose, man. For me, I just want to make videos that relate to people and inspire people. So the journey for me would be to improve the content and make it more relatable and more emotional and connective to you guys. That's the purpose, The passion is making videos. The purpose is providing value and motivating and inspiring other people. So I have to do that in a transformative way. It's so crazy, guys. You can do whatever you want, bro. And there's this comment. He's like, you're giving red-pilled advice. You've been in the same spot in 2 years. Guys, look, there's going to be ups and downs in your lives. It's the mindset. The mindset is everything, bro. I'm going to have what I want. I have what I want. What I don't have are the results. So all I have to do, guys, is just make better content. Life is beautiful, guys. Look at the sign right there. Life is beautiful. Shine bright, follow your dreams. Life is beautiful there as well. Guys, only you can decide your future. And that is your fate. You decide that. It's all your fault if you don't achieve what you want. Think of it, bro. When you think, in the first place, when you think of stuff that really drives you, you get motivated to act. So if you can't motivate yourself to act on stuff that you care about with deep passion, like this stuff here, giving raw advice, vulnerability, emotional self-expressiveness to a camera, that is my purpose, that is my passion. I want to motivate and inspire people. Fuck the money, right? Money will come with that. That's what you got to do. I don't understand people, bro. They're like, you're just giving the same stuff. Dude, there's always going to be people in your life, guys, that are going to hate on you, bro. There is. You kind of just got to make do with it. You are your biggest hater, bro. Yourself. Doubting yourself. Having no self-belief. That is what's holding you back. You are holding yourself back. But if you have the mindset that I have and you believe that you are literally limitless, you're literally going to change your life forever. Because there's nothing you cannot do, I could jump off a building and fly. If I had the gear, a jetpack, yeah, I could fly, right? Guys, look, there's not a one-all solution to life, bro. You got to experience things, go out more. And that is a foreshadow to me, man, because I don't ever go out at all. I'm just in my room working and making videos, talking to people, listening to music, working out, whatever, right? I'm going to shower after this. Guys, there's not a one-all solution to life, bro. There isn't. There's always going to be ups and downs. There is. So for you guys, this is what I want you guys to do, okay? So for me, my purpose in life is to motivate and inspire other people through vulnerably expressing myself. And what I mean by that is talking about relatable topics that a lot of people have been through, talking about my own struggles. So you guys can relate with what I'm going through and you feel like there's actually someone who can comfort you, be accepted, be loved, because I feel like I didn't have that. Other than my family members, I didn't have people motivating me. I motivated myself. So now it's time to return the favor and motivate all of you guys, So it's a lot more internal than that. I know I'm just walking around, but this is real shit. This is real shit that I'm saying. So for all of you guys that have something that you want to do in your lives, whatever it is, there's a guy who's going to copy me in whatever I'm doing with the map making stuff. And I'm like, cool, go copy me, let people do what they want, Nothing is stopping you guys, bro. It's crazy because I will have what I want. I will have millions of followers on this channel. I will. I'm going to have millions of followers on this channel. With time, eventually, I will. I know I will, because why would I not? Why would I not? I don't understand why I wouldn't, Even if, you never fail. The reason you fail is because of your mindset. You could take a 3-month break, come back on and snap. I really could. No matter what, I still will have it. I could quit for fucking 10 years, come back when I'm 30 and just kill it. It doesn't matter when you start, bro. You got to stop living with regrets of oh, I wish I started earlier. You know what I mean? I could be making Fortnite Maps right now instead of teaching it, and I make way more money now, but in the future, I'll make way more teaching other people. So like there's trade-offs in life, guys. There's trade-offs in life. And you gotta make sacrifices, you know? But that's okay. There's always gonna be sacrifices in your lives, but it's up to you what you do with them. It really is. I feel that you know, I've received some pretty bad news, damaging news from about my mom, and I don't know how to react, you know? I'm really trying to work hard for her, work hard for myself, and benefit the people around me. And I feel like that I delay a lot of things, you know? I'm kind of like a very disciplined person, so I don't do things like immediately. Like if I have an idea and there's something that is occupying me, let's just say like going out to a movies or whatever, I'd rather do the work, you know? And I've always been like that. Always been like that. So now on, in this channel, I will be posting every other day or daily, documenting my growth. I've already done that on the second channel and it went fairly well, but maybe I gotta put thumbnails back on the channel, guys. Because I'm not separating myself. I mean, me, myself, I'm the best of the best. There's no one better than me. But people don't understand that yet. So nobody can really see that. And that's the confidence you need to have. Nobody can see that. But if you can articulate it in a way and describe it to others, and that's how you motivate a crowd, you know? That's what Donald Trump did. That's how he won the election. He explained his point of view. And he won, you know? I love you guys, man. I really do. 3 more years. 3 more years. I won't tell you guys what, but May 21st, 2028. Hi me in 5 years. It's going to happen. Everything's going to be okay. I promise you. The title of this video will be Stop Letting Others' Opinions Destroy Your Lives. That's going to be the opinion. That's going to be the title. Stop letting other people's opinions destroy your life. You know? Guys, look, I got a gap. Like, bro, like, who cares? Like, what? Like, I just don't care. You know, like, you just gotta, like, focus on you. And that's really all that matters. Unfollow the people that you need to. You know? Cut out the distractions, cut out the noise. And you're gonna be good. You know? I have all the self-belief, and I don't even have what I want yet. I do have what I want, but it's just not, like, the impact, like, the fans and the millions of people. So I'm working on myself to create that for myself, because I didn't have anyone, and I now have myself, and that's all that really matters. So me, myself, and I love you guys, man. We're gonna do amazing things, I promise you. Okay, love y'all. Never give up on your dreams, bro. Stop letting other people's opinions destroy your life. Okay, I love you.